Hi. I still really haven't decided.
Oh, okay.
I'll let you know when I do.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
Yep, I just arrived. Dude, I'm not sure what to get her. There's so much jewelry here, so much. Dude, shopping is not my thing. Oh, okay. I think I found something. It's a diamond necklace. Hi, I'll take this one, please. I'm not sure. Maybe I should throw in one of the something else. Maybe like
Hi. Sorry, the neck piece you asked her to pack up for you, I already picked that.
Dude, let me call you back. What are you talking about?
I already picked that up before you got here. You know, I don't know why she didn't tell you. These store attendants can be so inattentive.
Yeah, but she's packing it for me.
Oh, but it's mine.
Okay.
Oh, no, no.
No, it's fine. She can have the item I picked.
Oh, you heard him. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. I think I found something else over there. Let's go on. Step on. Let me show you. It's a bit similar to the one I picked.
Alright, so here's your bill.
Now, it says here that you charged me for 2 items.
Yes. The one for the other lady.
What other lady?
The lady you were just kissing, sir.
What are you talking about? She kissed me. What do you mean the lady you were kissing?
She said you were going to make payments for an item
And you believed her?
you were just with her.
Why would you do? What's going? Is this how you guys work here? This is ridiculous. You've just been played. Do you have everything on camera?
Yes, we do.
I'm home! Desmond! Desmond! Desmond!
Welcome.
How are you? Guess what? I got something for you today. Careful. There we go. Good evening, Mommy.
where did you get all these items? Rather, who did you swindle or rob this time? Huh?
Mommy, come on. Cut me some slack. You know I work very hard, but some of them are gifts.
Vanessa, I raised you better. To be decent and fear the Lord.
And where exactly has that gotten us, Mom? Has it put food on our table when we're hungry? Or has it made us less impoverished? I am doing exactly what needs to be done. Why can't you see that?
You're ruining your destiny.
I am giving us a tomorrow. There's no free food in this country. Or is there any I don't know about? And to get that food, we need to get our hands a little dirty. You know, not all of us can afford to keep our hands as clean as you, Mom. If that were the case, we would have all starved in this house.
Listen to me, Vanessa. We don't live to eat. We eat to live. See, life is not all about possessing and consuming at all costs. It is not.
Whatever you say. Desmond.
Because I raised you better. I raised you to fear the Lord and to live a decent life.
Fake credits? Is this some sort of sick joke or something? You do realize I've been debited, right? Right? Where's your manager? I can't speak to you anymore. Where is your manager?
My manager is not around at the moment, so I advise that you please calm down.
Calm down?
Yes, ma'am.
You take that piece of advice and you shove it down your throat. So you want to defraud me, huh? You think you can scam me in this restaurant, huh?
Ma'am, we just called our manager now and he said that we have not received any credit alert at the moment, so we can't let you leave because I don't want to confirm.
You can't let me. You know what it's for. Consider yourself fired. Fired. How much are you holding me for? What amount are you holding me in this place for? Huh?
What crime has she committed this time?
You didn't have to do that, you know?
I know. I should throw you in jail. But why though? You seem smart. Why settle as a thief?
I'm not a thief.
Yeah, every thief always says that. First, deny, deny, and deny.
Look, I use my head to get ahead in life. There's nothing wrong with that. It's called surviving Nigeria.
That's a very sad excuse, if not lame. You ruin people's life. You take from hardworking individuals with zero care in the world and you call it surviving Nigeria.
I think that's a tad bit dramatic, okay? All I did was get free lunch and a nice piece of jewelry, okay? No lives got ruined.
Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Why did you rob me?
Sorry.
Sorry. Don't be sorry. This lifestyle can either put you in jail or get you killed. You pick.
It's pretty easy for you to sit there and judge me, huh? Look, I'm tired of choosing. I tried being good. You know what that got me? Scraps.
So stealing is your compensation?
Maybe. After all my good deeds got me slapped in the face.
You're wrong. And I want my necklace back. Here. Here's my office address.
Hey, man. Hello.
Hey, bro.
I should be leaving. Thanks for bailing me out again.
Who was that?
Trust me, you don't want to know.
She's that special.
Stop being weird. Please, let's move on. Waiter, bill, please. Bro. Yeah.
What's wrong?
My wallet. My wallet is missing.
Did you leave it in the car or something? What?
No, I didn't.
Thanks for bailing me out again.
A crazy bitch.
Shit.
This is not good.
Mommy, good evening.
Vanessa, this is gold. Where did you get it from?
Mom, why are you going through my things?
Vanessa, I asked you a simple question. This is gold and it's expensive. Where did you get it from?
Look, Mom. Contrary to popular opinion, I actually have friends who get me expensive things.
Oh, I forgot. You know you're lying. Vanessa, you know you're lying.
What do you want me to say, Mom?
You must return these to the owner right away. Right away!
Why exactly were you looking through my things?
Oh, Vanessa, you know that the cause of the law is in the house of the thief. And when the thief is caught, he pays sevenfold. You know that?
Oh, Mommy, it's enough. I didn't steal it. Look, I'm just a poor girl who knows how to make her way through life.
Shut your mouth. You're not a poor girl. This is very expensive. You are not poor, but you are cost. Vanessa, what is wrong with you? You must return it. You must return it to the owner.
Yeah? Who is this?
Hello, Mr. Diola.
Vanessa?
Yes, this is she.
You have some guts. After I gave you a second chance, you pulled a 180 and stole from me.
Oh, is that what that's called? I thought it was you telling me how bad I am at this, you know, how I'm gonna end up either dead or in jail.
I see it now. I shouldn't have bothered. I should have allowed the manager call the police, or better still, I should have called the police.
Look, mister, I'm getting bored of these threats. Do you want your jewelry back or not? Good. I'm gonna text you the address and come pick it up. And as a bonus, your wallet will be there too. Bye.
What? Did she direct me to a police station?
Hi, Miss Ajibio, Mr. Diola.
Yes, please.
I want to apologize for what happened at the store the other day. My salespeople told me.
Oh, you're the store owner.
Yes, I am.
Ah.
You know, these girls of nowadays, they just, I mean, you have to look beneath the, farther than the face and all that. They're just criminals. I'm so sorry for the embarrassment. And that's why we had to bring her here. When we found her at the mall.
Wow.
So they're bringing her for you.
Wow. Unbelievable.
These girls, you know.
Unbelievable.
I'll just leave. I'll leave my house in studio, so I'll just...
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Boss, now God send you me, you can't carry me from this place, eh? Thank you.
Oh, please, can you drop the act? You must think you're the smartest con artist alive.
See, forget all those things where they do now. Person gas hustle for this life, sure you know now.
Will you stop apologizing? You and I know you don't mean any of it. I gave you a second chance.
See. Now devil they use person I beg. Now your wallet where I collect. Now just play. I go give you the wallet back now.
You know what your problem is? You think this is some sort of game to you where you can do anything and get away with it and there'll be no consequences, right?
Beg, no bring another problem on top here. See, I'll give everything back to you. I'll give you back everything. I'll pay.
Try another lie.
See, bros. The truth is that things are just so difficult for my family and I.
Things are tough for you and your family. Bullshit. The whole world is steaming in inflation right now. Things are tough everywhere. That doesn't mean you should become a crook. You know, I should leave you to rot.
No. See. God already.
Don't touch me.
I'll give everything back to you. The jewelry, the wallet, that's nothing. I could give you everything back now, I beg.
Of course you will. But that alone is not going to cut it this time.
Maybe I don't beg you since now. What else do you want from me?
Make sure you didn't steal anything again. If you steal anything again, you come back to this place. And make sure you pay this young man in full, okay?
Thank you.
The jewelry isn't in there, and neither is your wallet.
I know. You're not that stupid.
What do you want with my bag now?
Freedom or police cell? Pick one. I thought so.
Shebi, you still give me my phone inside the bag now. Bro, wait now.
See, bros, I want to thank you for bringing me help. I appreciate it. Shady.
Where's the necklace?
You still the holla on top this necklace matter. Do you even need it?
If I don't need it, then why did I pay for it?
Sure, you know if you afford like 2 of that necklace.
Do you remember the agreement we had at the police station? That you provide the necklace, and if you can't provide the necklace, you have to work the equivalent of the money.
Where are you even driving to, sef? You've just been driving around. You know you're going to drop me at some point, Abby.
Provide the necklace and I drop you off.
So now kidnap you, they kidnap me like this, Abby? You want to kidnap me now?
That's rich, coming from a thief.
Okay. Won't you at least give me my things back?
Sure, I can. Actually, right now.
Stop now, stop!
I can see my wallet. Let me have it.
Take.
Criminal. I should take you back to the police station. Thief. Grace, this is your new assistant. Show her around. I'm sure there's a lot of work to be done in the office. Okay? Let's go. Let's go.
Uncle, I don't beg you since now. Which one is working the office again?
Would you like to go back to the police station? So get to work. No? So go and work. Grace, please take a show around. Okay?
Excuse me, sir. The lady you came in with is leaving. I don't know if you're aware.
Thank you.
Yes.
There's a lady in red coming towards the gate. Do not let her leave the premises.
Madam, sorry, the gate is locked. Can't go.
Excuse me?
It's locked. Can't go.
What does that mean? Please open the gate. Let me leave this place, Joe. Are you really not going to open this gate? So this is how you treat your guests in this company, eh? Please open this gate, Joe. Oga, open the gate. See, this is not fair. Me, I have a life.
I'm taking you back to the station.
Eh? Why?
Since you refused to hold up your end of the bargain.
Ah, bros. But now you talk say you go give me second chance now.
You wouldn't know a second chance even if he punches you in the face. You know, you think you're smart. Maybe with hard labor in prison, you use it to learn a good skill.
Bros, you said you wicked.
If you're looking for wicked, look in the mirror.
Oh yeah, bro, see, you not carry me go to the police station. I will give you the jewelry. See, if you turn left here, my house not far from this place. Just turn left here.
I'm sure you're only saying that because I'm taking you back to the station.
Ah, bros, this no be left now. You know no left and right again.
You don't say.
Oh, where you they carry me go now? Let I kidnap you when they kidnap me like this. In case it's ritual you're thinking of using me for, don't tell me see my body no dey work. Are you sabi?
Oh, you think it's your type they use for rituals? Somebody like you. Where have you ever heard that they used a thief for rituals?
See, bros, I beg you, no use my head for money ritual. Oh. They have already told me where I'm coming from that my body does not work for money ritual. Sure, you're hearing me.
You're hilarious. My mom just came in from a long trip. I want to say hi. You don't have to come in. In fact, stay here. Stay in the car. I don't want the items in my house to go missing.
No, you just insult me anyhow, Abby. You just insult me.
Good for you. And please, don't steal the engine, okay? I know you're not dumb enough to steal the car because I have a tracker.
Hey, Mom. Hello, dear.
How was your trip?
Very well.
So good to see you.
Hey, baby.
What are you doing here? Mom?
I asked her to pick me from the airport.
Really?
You were busy.
Mom, I could have sent a
Where are you taking me to?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Where are you taking me to?
Mom.
Yes.
We broke up. I told you this.
Oh, this is plain ridiculous. Cassandra is a kind-hearted girl. Why would you let any girl like that go?
The same Cassie is also a sociopath. The girl literally thinks like a serial killer. I could be bleeding on the floor and all she'd be concerned about is a bad eyelash.
Stop being melodramatic.
Mom, I'm serious. You have no clue. She has zero empathy. Mom, why would you even bring her here?
Adiola, listen. Cassandra is a good girl from a good home. Her mother is my best friend. Whatever it is, please forgive her. I want both of you to reconcile.
Mom, why are we even talking about her good family?
Yola, you're not getting any younger. Okay? Cassandra will make a brilliant wife for you. Why not?
Because I already have a girlfriend. She's waiting for me in the car as we speak.
Oh. Okay.
No, absolutely not.
Come on now.
I'm not good at faking it.
Oh, please, cut yourself some slack. Oh my goodness, I picked that jewelry first. The store attendant is so inattentive.
Was that supposed to be me? I'm really bad at this.
Come in, play it cool, say we've been dating for 3 months and we're madly in love with each other.
I'm not good with moms.
My mom is gentle and sweet. She's not going to bite, I promise.
But then why lie to her? You said it yourself. Honesty is the best policy. Why are you lying?
It's just a stupid white lie. Okay, we're not hurting or stealing from anyone. And you get to keep this stupid necklace.
Serious?
Yes, come in and act normal and it's yours.
No, why me? Serious? Baby, let's go.
Oh my God.
This is awkward.
Hello, dear.
Good evening, ma'am.
I think I'll take my leave now.
You don't need to.
It's for the best, Mom.
Greet your parents for me. You may have your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mom, this is Vanessa. Vanessa, my mother.
Oh, it's so lovely to meet you, ma'am. You know, when you described your mother to me, you didn't honestly emphasize on how beautiful she is.
Amazing. I'm just hearing about you for the very first time today.
Oh, that's because I wanted to surprise you with her, Mom. Vanessa here is the love of my life.
Oh, baby, stop it.
Anyway, it's nice that I'm going to be around for a while. I'll be around for 2 weeks, so we'll get to know each other better.
2 weeks.
Yes, I'm not leaving today anymore. I'll stay around for 2 weeks. So we'll get to catch some fun and then I'll get to know the love of your life better.
Is that really necessary, Mom?
It is. I need to go check my phone that I'm charging.
Okay. Jeez, you mad?
Change of plans. You're going to hang around here for the next 2 weeks.
No, a big, fat, humongous story. Since you don't get life.
You mean swindling people? Okay, fine. I'll pay you extra.
No.
You get to earn an honest living.
Lying, eh? Lying, Abby.
Acting. That's your forte, isn't it?
How much you will pay me?
You can't believe it. My phone has only charged 20%.
No.
And it has been there for a while.
Okay, Mom, should I send someone to get you a charger?
Oh no, baby, come on. I have a charger with me. It's actually a fast charger, Mommy.
Thank you, my darling.
Of course.
How much you pay me?
Mind you, as we do this, the things in my house are off limits. No stealing.
Serious. I say how much you go pay me. Eh? You dey talk your house. How much you go give me?
Pick a number.
Eh? Make I choose.
Any amount. Behave. Please.
Sorry.
This is civilization.
Sorry. Thank you so much, baby. I really do appreciate it.
Hands up, you're such a terrible actor.
This is nice. The last time I checked that fridge, there was absolutely nothing there. You were able to whip this up out of nothing.
There was enough to make this.
Wow, I was going to order something to eat, but this is nice. Very delicious.
Thank you, Mommy. You know, quite honestly, my mom is the real superstar. She taught me everything. She actually owns her own restaurant.
Wow. Apart from making something out of nothing, what else do you do? Do you have a job?
Mom?
Small chit chat. What do you do for a living?
She's into fashion merchandising. She picks up beautiful things and put them up for sale.
Amazing. Wholesale, retail.
Retail, but you know, quite recently I was thinking of expanding, going full wholesale. But I might need a little investment for that.
Oh, don't worry about that. I'm sure Adiola here can handle it.
You know, Mommy, you're so funny. He actually promised you a few days ago.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That's why I love you, baby. Catch it.
I'd rather not.
You know, your mom was very chatty. She kept giving me new ideas on how to grow my business.
You mean the pretend business you came up with?
No, that you came up with. Now, I have to play along.
Is that my pajamas?
Don't you think I look cute in it? You know, your mom just kept going on and on about my pretend business and how it had the pretend net worth of about 2.1 million naira. And I started off with just 200,000 naira. So judging from the numbers, I'm a very, very successful businesswoman.
Oh, you are good. You are so good at what you do.
Merci beaucoup.
Not the pretend business. The real one. Lying. You're very good at lying. But don't overdo it though. Lying to my mom. Do not overdo it.
I've heard now. But I have to make it believable, don't I?
All I'm saying is that I don't want her to be hurt when all of this is over. I know you're having fun, but please keep a lid on it.
Okay. I don't hear you. But see, stop calling me a liar. Stop it.
That's what you know how to do best. It's what you're good at.
Shay, you self know the lie. Eh? Do you see me reminding you every 2 seconds that you're lying?
Are you done? Okay.
You're still awake.
Wasn't that obvious when you dashed into the bathroom?
Guy, it's past 2 a.m. What are you still doing up? So now Yahoo you dey run. That's all these Yahoo boys, they day up all night, they follow their clients talk. So like this, now Yahoo you dey run,
Okay, firstly, Yahoo boys don't have clients. They have victims. And secondly, they're criminals.
Okay, so why are you awake?
I did business meetings with one of my investors in China. We just rounded up, so I'm finessing our plans. Better now than later, right?
So they walk, oh.
My PJs look good on you.
Of course. That's why I took it now.
You know, last time I checked, that kitchen was totally empty. How were you able to put this together?
Oh, I actually stepped out to get some of this.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you. My son works so hard, but his house is always empty. This place needs the touch of a woman. It's like you don't visit him often.
Oh, Mommy, you know, Diola and I just started dating like 3 months ago.
He said so.
And we really just wanted to keep everything really, really low key.
What are you saying here? Oh, my son.
Oh.
A lot of girls just look at him and all they see is money. That's all. What do you see?
Diola is successful, that's true. But when I fell in love with him, it was because he saw me for exactly who I am, all my flaws, and instead of judging me, gave me an opportunity to be better every single time. He's just so
Loving.
forgiving. It's a rare trait in people, you know. Some people forgive, but they never really forget. Some people forget, but they don't forgive. It's just... Yes, you're up.
Yeah. Hey, Mom. Good morning.
Good morning, darling.
Breakfast?
No, I'm good, thank you. I have to hurry.
Oh, hold on. Have a good one.
What are you doing? Oh, he does that a lot.
Explain.
To do that, Mother kept asking questions about our love life.
All right. I need you to take care of her while I'm gone.
Okay.
Also, I'll be working late today. If you need anything, let me know.
Okay. But I might be doing some going out of my own, so I need a key.
And stop raiding my clothes.
My goodness. So, you're still alive?
Mommy, good morning.
Good morning. What is good about this morning? Eh? A normal child will call if they weren't coming home for the night.
Mom, I texted you now. I sent you a message. And besides, I was with a very important client last night.
My God. My God. Are you also into prostitution? Are you?
Mommy, God forbid, don't say it now. People can hear you.
I'm just asking a question.
Mom, I'm working with a new set of clients that have a lot of money to spend. And right now, I am planning so much. Mommy, where are you going? I'm not going to explain this business to you now.
Vanessa, I don't want to listen to lies. If you want me to listen to you, tell me the truth. Read my lips. Tell me the truth.
Desmond?
Where are you going?
I'm going on a trip. Look, do you know what I need you to do for me? I need you to take charge and be the man of the house. Okay?
Okay.
Take care of Mom, and before you know it, I'll be back. So, take this. And don't let Mommy see it. You know how she gets about these things now.
Thanks, and the borehole is not working.
Okay. I'll send someone to fix it, okay?
Okay.
Now be a good boy, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. I love you, okay? Be a good boy. Take care of Mommy. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Vanessa. Fun now. Why are you shocked? I told you I was coming today now.
I don't think I go see you now. What's happen?
Why the traveling bag? Where you they go?
No reason this one. Get one small thing where I won't handle. Have fun now.
You
Henry, leave that talk. But see, the borehole for my house don't spoil you. I go need me you send person where they go fix them. You hear?
Forget that thing, I beg. You don't want to tell me where you they go.
Henry, I don't tell you may you leave this thing now. I go reason you later. Sure, you know be my guy. Eh? How your sister side self? No be where you from come?
Mama, she's expecting triplets too.
Nah lie. Triplets.
I didn't want you. I just but her stomach big, you know. That's
She don't dey chop now. Why now? Best
Don't
way get
mind
better dey chop.
Vanessa.
Hello? Anybody home? Mr. Diola. See money, dollars. Vane. Here we go, mad. Wait. Diola, is this some sort of stupid test?
I'll follow. I don't mind.
Let's take small. Take something now. Hi there, Mr. Diola. So I just got to your room and I was busy minding my business when I saw a stash of cash. And I was feeling just a little hungry, so I decided to help myself. But it was just a very little amount, just a small amount. You'd barely even notice it was gone. Alright, bye. I passed now. I passed. Oh,
I'm sorry if I startled you.
Mommy.
You didn't go to work today?
Work? What work?
Your jewelry business.
Oh! It's an online business, Mom. You can do it from anywhere in the world.
Oh, do you have a website?
No, but I have an Instagram page. Do you want to look through?
Yes, why not?
Maybe you can patronize me. So this is my page. These are my products.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I like this one.
Oh, Mom.
Yes.
Oh, Mommy, you have great eyes.
Yes, I do. I have a good eyes for good things. This is beautiful. Very simple.
And it will look so gorgeous
Exactly.
on you. It's just gonna blend in with your skin tone.
I know. So let's know how much.
Okay.
And then let me have it.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, settle in.
All right, thank you.
She wants something simple. Maybe something plain like rose gold or just plain gold. Something simple, but make it sharp. Oh. You dey hear me? Can you get it?
You used Shola's page?
Yes, I did.
What if this person tries to contact Shola?
Don't worry. No, the person knew me direct. Just forget. But wait, oh. See, you create another of Shola's page just in case. You understand?
Okay, I'll try.
And while you're creating it, just add like 20,000 subscribers. Yeah?
Okay, now no wahala, okay.
Oh yeah, you be my guy. Thank you.
Omo, one of the shop owners almost catch me.
Nah lie.
This was sharp guy why I be now. I can't do like I forget to pay for this one.
You pay for this one?
What man go do now?
Hey, wahala for you. The shop attendant wey dey my own shop. That one na mumu. No even dey look my side. Just dey press phone, dey scroll Instagram.
But you still collect wetin make sense now.
I collect something now, but na for woman o, no be man.
I get this one for you.
I
don't say you like her.
I no vex say I no collect anything for you.
No wahala now. As long as you don't get the thing with the sweet you for body.
This one fine, no?
I tell you, man.
Where the lights they shine.
I shine light too.
Yeah. Yeah. How far that gold chain? Wetin be the update?
Okay, I guess something.
No be that one. I don't tell you, call for line. I need legit something.
This one go work too now. If the person will make plenty money from this one. Nasty gold.
Henry, I need something where they go buy for shop, pay money. Shey you know they hear me?
Why?
See, I get my reasons. Just call for last. It's that time where you don't know, say, I meet if that ring where I from buy from your hand. No one follow me talk again now.
Oh, that's why they stay with this fancy guy now for your house.
Wait. So you follow me for back, eh?
Yes, now. I reason I say they keep secret from me. I be your party. You're not supposed to do like this. But, who be this fancy guy when you dey chill with? Who be that guy?
Henry, come on your mind for this thing. I go reason you when the time reach. I never tell you before. Come on your mind. I go reason you later now. Call for la. Abi you no go help me.
I go run now, man.
Call for la now. You
okay,
don't hear?
Okay now, no wahala.
I go follow you talk later. You hear?
Okay now.
Dude, this would be a really cool idea if you can get it.
Well, that's why I wanted to get you involved. I mean, Apex Oil right now is blowing up the oil industry and they have daddy's money backing them up.
And how did you find out about this?
Well, it just dropped on my lap.
Who dropped it?
Your ex-girlfriend, Cassie.
Oh my goodness.
She tried to reach out to you, but, you blocked out of your life.
So you're what? Our middleman?
See, I'm just the guy trying to make some more money. I hope you're interested too.
Cassie is a lot to deal with. I hope you know this.
So what? Man, just go for it for the money.
Fine. When do we meet her?
Hey, sugar. Miss me?
Why they do like this now? You just the phone for me. Who tells I don't know say they live for fancy house? Eh?
She, I don't tell you before. May you leave this matter. I don't tell you now.
Forget that thing, Jare. See, I'm even for prison, eh? Even for prison, they allow me bad guy make a visit a friend. You know understand?
Be like say you don't dey mad, Abi. You don't dey mad, Abi.
I beg, die that thing. Anyways, I bring the necklace. Yes, it's legit.
You see wetin I dey avoid since.
Who is that? Who be that now?
No reason the matter. See, I don't tell you. No come this place again. She don't dey hear me so. No come this place again.
Who was that?
Baba, leave am. We are going to go now.
That one I dey thank you, Abi.
Bringing riffraffs to my home is not part of the bargain.
Look, he's not riffraff. It's just your false judgment. But it won't happen again.
Did my mom see?
No. I was looking for you earlier. I didn't see you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, dear.
I stepped out to get something.
Oh, okay. I've sent the money. Have you received the alert?
Wait. What money? What alert?
Okay, I'm buying a piece of jewelry from her. A gold chain.
Yes.
Mom, have you received the necklace?
No, not yet.
I'll deliver it later.
Okay, that's fine.
Excuse me, Mom.
I can explain.
My mother is not your mark.
No, she's not. Okay, she was trying to patronize me.
Then you should have told me. I would have bought something and then you give it to her.
I didn't think of that, okay?
Because you wanted to make your own profit.
No, because I thought this was something I could easily handle.
How much are you making on top of it?
I got her real gold.
That's not the question. The question is, how much are you making on top of it?
Look at it.
Where did you steal this from?
I didn't steal it. I bought it. It's real.
I can't take your word for it, can I?
Son?
Good evening, Mom.
Hey dear, how did your meeting go?
Great. It was great, thank you.
Good.
Yeah. You okay?
I'm seeing a movie.
Enjoy.
All right, dear.
So? You tested it?
Yes. If she wants anything else, come to me.
Okay. I forgive you.
For what?
For the mistrust and subtle insult.
Dear.
I have it.
Oh. Wow.
Here. Diola picked it up from the delivery guy for me.
Oh, this is lovely.
Do you want me to help you try it on?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Let me see. Yes.
Oh,
Oh, Mom, it fits your neck perfectly.
this is nice.
Oh, I'm so glad. You know you're my first customer.
First customer.
Oh. I mean my first customer to buy the 24 karat gold from me.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
This is lovely.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's your phone?
Let me get my phone.
Fast. Nice.
You have it?
So let me pose.
Okay. Okay, smile. Turn the other way. Yes. Gorgeous. Yes. Mommy, you should be a model.
I'm telling you.
So this is one.
Oh, this is amazing.
I like this one.
I like.
This one is my favorite. Mommy, do you
I'll
have a
post,
page?
Of course, I'm going to post on my Instagram account.
This is beautiful.
Oh, this is beautiful. Wow.
I love.
Send me all this on my WhatsApp.
Let me do that. You know your mom really loved it.
Yeah, she showed me.
Just so you know, yourself and your mother, you're not my mark.
What changed?
You're both so welcoming, you know? I haven't met anyone like you guys in a really long time. Everybody just wants to take and take and take. No one ever attempts giving.
Will you like to go out on a date?
I thought all these are pretending ends in the house.
Yes, it does. I'm supposed to have dinner with a friend, but he's bringing his girlfriend. It's actually meant to be a boys' night out, and I don't want to go alone.
So,
will you like to go out with me for dinner?
as what?
As my date. Are you sure this is what you want?
Man, I don't know. But I'm sure I don't want to lose her.
And she wants a husband?
She wants a family.
Do you want a family?
I know I want a family with her.
There you go, man. That's your answer. Congratulations, bro.
Thanks, man.
Hey, hope I didn't miss too much.
Hey, no. Of course not. Mwah.
Hi.
Hi, Vanessa. This is Emeka. Emeka, Vanessa.
Hi.
The girl with the wallet trick. Never mind.
Oh, hi guys. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for keeping you guys. Hey, hi baby. Hi, hi Tila. Sorry, it was a bad one.
Why don't we order? Waiter?
So, Vanessa, what did you say you do again?
I'm into fashion.
That's beautiful.
Jewelry merchandising, to be precise.
Wow.
Isn't that what you've been selling to Adela's mom?
Dude, come on.
I mean, I'm just saying, man. She almost got me fooled. You make a great actor. And I mean, why don't you go into the business? You'll make some money from it.
Babe, I'm just saying.
What? Just saying.
Excuse me for a second.
I'm just giving an advice. Man.
Nobody asked you for it. Your food is getting cold.
I am not going back in there. Do they all know about me?
They?
Your friend with the big mouth.
Emeka is a good friend. He knows almost everything about me.
Well, good luck with your friendship. I'm leaving.
Okay, hold on. Vanessa. Okay, the silence in this car is too much. Is this how you're going to give me the silent treatment till whenever?
How could you tell your friend about me?
You stole my wallet. He was there when you stole my wallet.
And I'm pretty sure he's going to tell his girlfriend. And she's going to tell her friends and her family members, and it's going to spread, and before you know it, every single person in the whole world will know I'm a thief.
Can you please stop being hysterical? Please. I didn't have to tell Emeka anything. You made that announcement when you stole my wallet.
But at least you should have defended me.
Defend you? Defend what exactly? You want me to lie? Your job is to take advantage of hardworking individuals. And boy, am I glad that you're ashamed of it now. Because it's a far cry from the girl I first met who wore it as a badge of honor.
You know what you are? A hypocrite. To hell with you.
Hey guys. I kept knocking, but there was no response. I think your mom is dead asleep.
Mom goes to sleep really early sometimes.
Mom? Anyways, I came so we could discuss the Apex deal. Was saying that you're so busy. I'll just keep it brief. I want us to throw a party for the Apex brothers. You know, just try to befriend them a little and secure the deal. You know, it's actually easy to say no to your friends than a bunch of guys that you don't know. So I think it'll be easy.
Okay. I think that's a good idea.
Great. So I haven't exactly thought out the logistics. It could either be at your place or mine.
Or when you decide, let me know.
Sure thing. Goodbye.
Son, you're back. What did you do to her? Whatever it is, please fix it, okay? I want my jolly good Vanessa back.
Please, don't leave because I came in.
Why? What do you want from me? Huh? I'm just your contract staff who steals occasionally, right?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry about Emeka. You'll come around. I took you out to dinner because I wanted him to get to know you and not mock you. I got you a present.
What's that?
It's a little something I call stop vexing. Is that a smile I see coming on your face?
It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. So, am I forgiven?
I don't know.
How about now?
Pizza is ready. Adiola, it's pizza night, so go and take a shower.
Okay.
Was I interrupting something?
Oh no, we were just working through a minor argument.
Oh. Is everything settled now?
Oh yes. Yes it is.
Okay. Come get a slice of pizza.
Okay.
Yeah, you're always late. You need to learn to be like me. Everything is set. What's your ETA?
So all this is for business?
Not entirely, but we are going to have some fun. Though this whole thing is to coax the Apex Oil Company to choose our construction company to build 30 different filling stations for them around the country.
30? That's huge.
Yeah, so everything has to go on smoothly.
So you and Cassie run this company together?
Oh, no. I have mine. Emeka has his. Cassie runs her father's firm. So the three of us are coming together to catch this big fish.
Oh.
I told you look absolutely
Hello
stunning.
there. So, I just spoke to Jamie and they're on their way here.
Excellent.
Look at that.
Ladies, excuse me, please.
He doesn't look like your type though.
Excuse me?
Adeola. Look, I've been watching you. You look so out of place in his life.
And you should know.
Absolutely, dear. I would know.
Don't call me dear.
Look, take this from me because you will never hear those words from him. Girls like you that are so crass, so basic and ghetto will never end up with the likes of Adeola. You belong with the likes of, what's his name again? The cheapskate. Henry.
You know, he did say you'd been asking questions about me. But what I don't understand is, you're expensive. You look like $1 million. But all that money can't seem to wipe away your low self-esteem. I may be ghetto, saying I'm from streets I dey come. But you're pathetic. Fighting for a man that can't even stand your wits.
How dare you?
Ladies, I hope we won't be having any problem tonight. Good.
Thank you so much. Hey guys, how are you? Oh my gosh, you look so nice. Mwah. Hello, how are you?
Lovely to see you.
So nice to see you too. Guess what?
What? No!
Yes.
Congratulations! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Goodness.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's beautiful.
So, how about you? How's the acting going?
Acting?
Yes, Emeka told me that you're an aspiring actor. Have you featured in any movies yet?
Oh, well, none yet. You know, I'm still surfing the industry to see what's gonna suit me best.
Is that what we're calling unemployment these days? Surfing?
Excuse me?
You're excused. You okay?
Sure. I'm good. Yeah, 1 second. Sure.
Oh, hi, Lee. Oh, hi.
Please face the restaurant.
Oh, it's just over there.
Oh, okay, this way.
Yes, there's that door.
Hey. What are you doing here? Are you okay?
I was getting sick of your girlfriend, and I'm not ready to kill her.
For all intents and purposes, Cassie is my ex.
And do you think she knows that? Especially with this party going on.
It's just a work party.
Because this really all just feels like some backhanded date.
Ignore Cassie. She's history. And I'm about to close the day.
What? You're about to? Billionaire boyfriend.
Stop it.
I think you should consider the deal.
Yeah, I think so.
Hi. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good, baby. I just got out of the bathroom. I need to find somewhere quiet to make a quick call, okay?
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure, I'm fine. It's just work related.
Sure. Where's your ring?
The bathroom. I'll just go pick it back. I washed my hands. Chopped it here, right? Shit. Did anybody come? Shit. No. Did anybody come in here? No.
You know, you don't have to leave. I mean, Mom leaves in a day or two. But I'm not saying you can't leave. I'm just saying that we could hang out, see a movie or two.
Mr. Adiola, are you asking me out?
You know.
What do I know?
Adiola, something has happened. Chris's engagement ring is missing.
What? What happened?
My engagement ring. I forgot it in the bathroom. I just went back there to check for it and it's not there.
Have you thoroughly searched everywhere to be sure?
701 times.
Excuse me. Did you see anyone come in here?
No, I didn't.
Aha! Emeka, Jamie's looking for you guys. What is going on? I think I just lost my ring.
What? How?
Look, I went to the bathroom, right? I wanted to wash my hand. Then I took it off. I am so sure I left it on the sink. Only for me to go back now and it's not there.
Oh my goodness. That is terrible.
Cassie, did you see anyone going to the bathroom?
No.
Are you sure it's not in your purse or something?
No, it's not there. I've checked it. It's not there.
See, this is a very unique ring and it was not easy to get. Please, can I have your attention? My fiance's engagement ring is missing. I think she forgot it at the bathroom. So if any of you mistakenly saw someone going to the bathroom or mistakenly took it, please just let me know. Thank you. You guys can enjoy it. That's it.
Look, Emeka just indirectly accused our guest of stealing. All this can easily be avoided. We all know who the actual thief is. And who is the thief?
What are you talking about?
Diola, stop acting obtuse.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you had no idea? Alright, cast to the rescue. Well, turns out Adiola's latest plaything also likes to steal for amusement.
Stop it.
Don't defend her now.
He doesn't have to defend me. Clearly, you've lost your mind.
Oh, please shut it! I know all about your criminal escapade. I met your partner in crime, Henry. Very chatty individual, especially after a bottle of stout.
You don't know anything about me.
Oh, I know that you're a master thief.
Did you take it?
Excuse me?
What kind of sick question is that? Of course she took it. The question is, where did she hide it?
If you have my engagement ring, can you bring it out?
Emeka, just calm down, okay? I'm sure that Cassie here is just blowing things out of proportion. I'm sure she didn't take it.
We don't know that.
I didn't take the ring.
Why are we still standing here listening to this hoodlum? We should be strip searching her by now.
No, it hasn't come to that.
Diola, don't cover for her.
He doesn't have to cover for me. I didn't take the ring. You can search me if you want.
Oh, I'd gladly search you.
Have you seen it?
No! But luckily we found the thief.
No, we haven't.
We have.
Be honest with me.
Diola, I didn't take it. I want you to believe me.
Cassie, stay out.
Why? I practically live in this house for over a year. You, where did you put it? I know you took it.
How do you know that? Did you see her take it?
Guilt! It's written all over her. See, nobody's going to hassle you or beat you up, okay? Just out with it. You're a kleptomaniac. I understand. I empathize even. You see, kleptomania is more of a disease, less of a disgusting habit. Let's take things here and there that don't belong to you. All you need to do is seek help in the right facility. And they will help you, like get you back to normal, back to your senses.
I didn't take it, you maniac.
Oh, fess up! Where did you put it?
Look, maybe it was a mistake, okay? Maybe just slid into your bag and then you know what, whatever. I just need my ring.
Chris, I didn't take your engagement ring.
Okay, that's it. Now we have to search.
Is this even necessary?
We're about to find out. What a ras bag. That's it!
Who spotted my ring? Oh, here.
That's your ring?
Yes, this is my ring.
Oh my goodness. Adiola, your girlfriend is a thief. Oh my gosh, you brought a thief to the house? Oh my gosh. Somebody call 911. Somebody call 911. There's a thief in the house. Where's my handbag? Gosh. Oh my gosh. Everyone, hello. So we found the ring. Adiola's girlfriend took it. I am so sorry for all the embarrassment. I sincerely apologize. Please enjoy, everybody. We found a thief, so everything is okay now. More drinks?
Adiola, I didn't take it.
You're a lost cause. And we're done. Do you know the level of embarrassment you caused me today? I keep sticking out my head for you.
Cassandra
did what? I want you out of my house. And I don't want to ever see your face again.
I wouldn't be stupid enough to put it in my bag.
All thieves are stupid. And you're a thief. Hey, Mom. Are you okay?
Your girlfriend has gone.
She's not my girlfriend anymore. I mean, we broke up.
Oh, please. Stop lying through your teeth. The poor girl told me how you paid her to fool me. Explain yourself. I what? Why would you do a thing like that? To me, your mother? You should have just told me the truth.
Well, you wanted me to get married to Cassandra. I'm sure you were already planning our traditional marriage and assured me.
What is wrong with that? Every mother will want the best for their children's future. You should have just come clean with me instead of dragging this poor girl into this whole mess.
Vanessa can handle herself.
You think so? Because Cassandra is still very much in love with you. She told me that herself. I wasn't trying to reconcile both of you because of the grand plan that I have for you. You and I know how truculent Cassandra can be sometimes.
Wait. Are you saying that Cassandra framed Vanessa?
I am saying that Vanessa thinks Cassandra framed her. Right now, I do not even know what to believe anymore.
What's wrong? Vanessa!
To hell with them.
Omo, Henry. I feel like me you reason these guys. Them young like you, they get money, die. Adiola don't the reason one contract, we go gather billions of naira. Sure, you know the reason Eh?
But you're successful in your own way.
Forget this thing where we dey run, no. Forget all these things. Be like say all of us dey race, We dey run. They run, go front. We dey run, go back. Sure, we no go lose this game last. We go lose now.
What game?
The game of life, Henry. We go lose.
You know these people are not like us. They already have a head start.
Okay. Adiola get him mama, abi? What about Chris? Chris no get anybody. Emeka no get anybody. All those ones are just excuses. Now why that guy hates me, die. Now me don't use my hands spoil my life. I swear, Henry. Now me use my hands spoil my life. I don't regret everything. Henry, I regret everything.
I've never seen you this sad. Come on. To hell with Adiola. Now they are loose.
Forget, all these things no be for Adiola. Now for me. I don't spoil my life, Henry. Sure, you know see him.
I'm sorry about Cassandra.
That win, Shabi. You know say now she set all these things up. Now she do this thing, but I don't get proof. Now it be the problem.
I was drunk that night and I didn't know what I was saying. I just did talk anyhow.
See, no reason that one. Last, all of us go there, right? Maybe billionaires they chop their money. Let me go inside. Say you want chop?
I want chop.
So where are we with the Apex brothers?
Well, we almost got the deal at the party. Well, until they found out you were hanging out with a thief.
My mom seems to think she's innocent.
Does your mom know she's a professional crook?
Maybe Cassie framed her.
What? You think Cassie would what? Risk this project? For what? To get back at you?
Cassie would risk blowing up the entire world to get what she wants. Did I tell you I found the necklace at home? She left it there. I don't think she did it. And I never left Vanessa in the kitchen. No.
Look, I'm really sorry about everything. I'm really, really sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't think you took it, honestly. If you're as smart as Emeka says, you should know better than to put it in your own bag.
Exactly. Cassie framed me. She did.
I just thank my God that she brought it out at the end.
Look, Chris, there's something I have to tell you. I'm not this good person that you assume me to be.
Oh, come on, V. Stop it. Show me a cent and I will show you 100 things that is wrong with him. None of us are perfect. But I think you can use your smartness for much more better things.
I've heard that song before.
Oh, really? You went looking for a job?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. We do have an opening in our company though. And I am, kind of the boss. Though we have a pretend boss, let's say. I'll text you my email. Just send me your CV, okay?
Okay. Yes, I will. Thank you.
Okay. Have a nice day, darling. Yeah.
Stay away from me. Get out of my house. How exactly does that feel, Mr. Billionaire?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I was mortified. You and your friends humiliated me. And that vile Cassandra?
I tried to defend you, okay, but it wasn't easy with your reputation.
It wasn't easy with my reputation. I thought you came here to apologize. Get out of my house. Get out! Hi.
I figured today is your first day at work, and I brought you a gift.
Wait a minute. Did you have anything to do with Chris giving me that job?
No. That was all you. Would you like me to drive you to work?
Why? You're not my driver, and neither are you my boyfriend.
I'm sorry, okay? Cassandra came hard on you because of me, and for that I apologize. Cassandra is history.
Look, it's not just about Cassandra. It's you and your whole billionaires under 30 entourage. They were all there that night. They're forever going to think I'm a thief. I want a fresh start.
I'm ahead of you on that one. Okay? I called everyone that came to that party, and they all know that you didn't steal that ring.
You did what?
It's the least I could do for the embarrassment. And I'm sorry. Okay? I want a fresh start. No lies. No games.
Well, I guess I'll have to think about it. But for now, open the door and drive me to work.
Can I skip from driver to boyfriend?
No.
Why?
This is very unprofessional.
I want to be unprofessional with you.
This is not what I paid you for.
Oh, I'm getting paid?